What if I told you that every time you rush to do her a favor, you might be lowering your value in her eyes? Most men think doing things for a woman builds attraction. Here's the truth. Most men miss. It often does the exact opposite. Today I'm breaking down the Benjamin Franklin effect. It's a psychological paradox that flips the script on connection, shifting you from the nice guy who tries too hard to the man she feels naturally drawn to, without saying a thing. The investment paradox. The first rule is what I call the investment paradox. Decades ago, Benjamin Franklin discovered he could win over a rival not by helping him, but by asking the rival to lend him a rare book. Why did this work? Because of cognitive dissonance. When we do a favor for someone, our brain has to justify the effort. It tells us, I spent time on this person, therefore I must value them. When you do everything for her, you are the one investing. You convince your own brain she is high value, while her brain registers you as easily accessible. The shift. Next is the micro-request. You need to stop over-functioning. The nice guy syndrome is actually a refusal to let her invest in you. To change this, you must become comfortable asking for small, low-stakes favors. It's not about being demanding, it's about inviting participation. Can you hold this for a second? Pick the music for the drive. Check the time for me. Now comes subconscious justification. When she complies with these small requests, her nervous system signals that you are a man worth doing things for. It creates a sensory echo of cooperation and investment. Finally, the balance. This is the real difference between average and magnetic. An average man thinks he must earn affection through servitude. A magnetic man understands that attraction is a loop of mutual investment. If you never ask her to contribute to the interaction, you are denying her the psychological trigger that builds deep attachment. You are preventing her brain from rationalizing why she likes you. Remember, none of this is about tricks or manipulation. It's about awareness. It's about stepping back to let her step forward. If this changed how you view your own kindness, hit the like button. Subscribe for more insights into the unspoken language of attraction. And share this with someone who keeps wondering why his generosity is getting him nowhere. Every video breaks down one overlooked detail that quietly changes outcomes, conversations, and confidence. Because attraction grows fastest when intention, respect, and presence align naturally, without forcing anything.